At the heart of the Proteus V2 system is the signal processing circuit board assembly, the Optimus Prime. In the final design model, you can see a refined representation of the detailed circuit board assembly. Now, with CircuitWorks available in all levels of SolidWorks, not just Pro and Premium, anyone can open ECAD files. Take this IDX file for instance. CircuitWorks has a completely overhauled user interface with 2025, with a new look and better scaling to 4K. With just this IDX file, CircuitWorks can build an entire 3D model. This assembly uses volume representation of components, keepouts, cuts, and more. In the concept stage, and as we now lock in our enclosure dimensions and mounting points, this is all the mechanical representation that I require. What about a more detailed circuit board model? Well, here's another IDX file. However, this one is a more complex example from our friends at Cadence. With SolidWorks 2025, IDX files expand to a whole new level of capability. In this example, I want to show you the ability to model copper trace geometry across all layers. That means top, bottom, and internal trace data. You can see in the CircuitWorks tree all the items that can be imported or built on the fly. This one takes several minutes to build, so I already have this one imported. This type of collaboration through IDX fully enables downstream engineering such as thermal and even shock validation.